Hello, here with the contractor to complete the repairability test for Eskew. We're actually on the porch covering. It's completed here because it's a little bit easier to get to, and we do have some damaged shingles that are already covered, and we're going to be replacing the one you see here, and we have outlined on both sides. So once we take this out, we're going to determine if we have mat transfer, and based on the I believe the current RLS report we have, this is the matching shingle. And I just want to show that there is a gross difference between color, but we will go ahead and handle that one and discuss that later. As of right now, we'll go ahead and start the test. Go ahead, hon.
Sounds good.
Okay, let me see the trowel tool real quick. So just to show you, we're only using this trowel tool because of the flat surface to be able to separate the adhesive between the shingles without actually causing the least amount of damage. Okay, go ahead.
Cool.
And of course, he is now using the approved snake tool to remove the nails.
That's done my part. You want to hold on?
Yeah, hold on to it. And while he's doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and point out that we will be leaving this shingle at the insurance house, probably underneath the porch that we're standing on. And I will take a picture of it and also submit that with the email submission with the YouTube link for this video, just in case you need to come pick it up, which I believe was already discussed.
And you get to hold up on it for now.
You might have one more and it should slide out.
Okay, probably right there.
Yep.
I'm missing. There was one right there that I didn't get to before. I used a hammer on it. There we go. Alright. Oh, one more.
Okay. Now let's see if it slides out. Perfect. And I'll take that one. Just want to look at it real quick so do a video before you install the other one. Again, it's the same one. We have some wind damage here. And just looking at the overall, condition of it. I'm gonna flip it over. And here you can actually see we have mat transfer, even using the correct tool or a correct tool to separate the adhesive. So we will cause further damage trying to do repairs to this roof. And again, I will take up close pictures of this and send this also to in the email. Okay, let me look at the area you just completed. Again, here we have signs of the mat transfer, and then here as well, see the fibers. And just looking at the adhesive underneath the shingles above the repair. Again, there's some more mat transfer here. That the adhesive alone, just the way it feels, it's solidified. It will not reseal, which is going to cause further damage in the future. Next storm that comes by, we're going to cause more wind damage. And of course, the shingles are already damaged as is because of the mat transfer. Okay, you can go ahead and install a new one.